Hey guys, we haven't been on video for a while, and you can tell we're way out of practice. Nobody knows where to stand or what they're gonna do. But we have some news, and we're really excited. We have a package from YouTube, and we thought we'd give a really quick update. We're gonna unbox this so you can see what it is too. But you've been with our family since we started this channel in 2015. Now, 4 years ago, Gracie, you were how old? 12. Grace is 12. Banjo has to get his word in. Grace is 12, and you just turned 16. Actually, she was 11.
They can do the math now.
They can do the math. Grace is actually 11 when we started, and then turned 12, and now is 16. And look at this. She's taller than I am. A lot taller. Staying close. Yeah.
You can see.
And we're taking her, and she's a teen, if you can't tell, and we're taking her to a residential high school today. So she's officially moving out to college about 2 years early. I'm okay with that. Not really, but we're going to pretend. And Jonathan, you're used to seeing Jonathan dancing in the background coming through. He helped me with some videos.
Your very old videos.
And my very old videos. And you were 7 when we started, and you are turning
13 soon.
13 soon. Jonathan will be 13 in a week or so. So, and David, he's still kind of doing the cameraman and the behind the scenes stuff and aggravating us and still washing the dishes. So I'm very grateful for that. So let's see what's in the YouTube package. So YouTube has like a subscriber thing, and I've got my scissors. I'm doing the unboxing. We couldn't get it angled, and we've got to leave soon for Grace, and so this is as good as it gets. They have really taped this guy. Somebody want to help me? I'm not sure if I got all that tape or not. They're going to help me. In the meantime, I'll tell you kind of what's going on. It's so interesting because when we started the channel, we started it just to help people. I'd struggled my entire life to lose weight. And so I decided to share my story and help people figure out this low carb lifestyle. Since that time, the YouTube channel has grown. You guys stop and stuff. The YouTube channel has grown. I've published 3 books, 2 more on the way. And we have a letter from YouTube that says you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who subscribed, that's you, each and every person subscribed has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Probably entertained, right? You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Sense of humor, guys?
No. Nope.
Definitely. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and your hard work with a silver creator, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Do we do it for rewards, guys? No, we don't. You do it for food, right? For recipes.
Well, that is a reward, isn't it?
True. You do it because you've had a chance to drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. And that's Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. That's a cool letter. And oh, wow. Congratulations on your subscriber. And here is the silver button.
Woohoo!
Can you see it? You want to take the cover off? You want to take the cover off?
That's a lot different than what I've seen.
It's a lot different from what you've seen. I'm going to slide it out. It is,
I think a lot of people have gotten it like framed.
what do you think? It's pretty, isn't it? It is a little different looking. I think even the one that Dr. has presented to Cooking Keto with Kristie for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. How cool. And it has a little card. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick, for taking great care. And if it's damaged, we can actually, during shipping, we can have it. How fun. So,
It looks like the center's a mirror.
oh, it does look like the center's a mirror, doesn't
I
it?
think it is a mirror.
Can you see yourself?
Well, myself and then Bill.
We've had this for 2 days, and we waited to do the unboxing for today, and we gotta find a place to put it. Where should we put it, guys?
Your office.
my office.
We could put it back there with all the pictures.
Back there with the pictures. We'll have to find a place to put it. Thank you guys for being part of our 100K and for sharing our family's story.